Hi friends, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, we are going to see how abandoned cart functionality works on Shopify Store and where we can find the abandoned cart orders in Shopify Store. Also, we are going to learn the detailed process of abandoned cart. For that, you must watch this video till the end because this video will help you in understanding the process about abandoned cart. Guys, before going ahead, if you haven't subscribed to my channel Code in 10, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. So without wasting much time, let's start with this tutorial. First, let's understand what is abandoned cart. When a customer adds a product to the cart and he tries placing the order, but for some reason the order is not placed successfully, or he adds the product to the cart, he goes to the checkout screen, but over there he changes his mind and then he closes the screen. So, in these scenarios, the product is in abandoned cart. Now let's see where in Shopify we can see the abandoned cart orders. Click on orders and then we need to click on abandoned checkouts. So guys, under this screen all the abandoned checkouts are shown. Now let's see how abandoned checkout functionality works. For that we need to open the website front end. As you can see, I have opened the front end of the website. Now, let me scroll down. And guys, if you see, there are two products. Let me open this product. I'll click on it. Now, let me click on buy it now. So guys, if you see, now we are on the checkout page. Let me enter the information over here first. Now I'll click on continue to shipping. So guys, if you see, now I'm currently on the continue to payment page. I'll click on continue to payment. Now, if you see, this is the final page where the payment is being made. Now from this page, I'm going to navigate back to the cart page. So guys, in this case, our product has been abandoned. So let us check the Shopify backend. So let's open orders, and under orders we need to open abandoned checkouts. So guys, if you see, it's showing me the time 1 minute ago, and this is the checkout ID number. So basically this is the abandoned checkout ID number and placed by the customer's name. Also we can see the total. If I click on it, I can see the total details of that particular order, like which product the customer has added to the cart, which he tried to place the order for. You can send a recovery email to the customer. So basically it will be an abandoned checkout recovery email. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you in learning abandoned checkout functionality on Shopify store. So guys, if you want more videos like this, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon and like and share this video. Till then, signing off from this video. Thank you.